Good evening, YouTube. Boxman Willie here with a Lakewood Deluxe. I'm not sure what the model number is. I'm sure it's on a sticker inside, but I have not opened up the fan yet. I am guessing late 60s, early 70s. This thing has a plastic grill on the back, and usually fans this age has a metal GE motor. It's very dirty. I haven't had a chance to clean it up yet. Three-speed, reversible, with a thermostat. And a pilot light. Pardon me. Okay, let's go ahead and go through all the speeds here and see how she works. Here's high. Medium, low, and off. Not bad spin down for being so dirty, and probably hadn't been oiled in a while. Alright, here we go again on high. This is in backwards mode. Exhaust. Medium, and low. I'm not going to do the startup sounds on this motor, on this fan yet. When I get it all cleaned up, I will do another video, and then I will do the startup sounds. But anyway, overall, for the age that it's in, other than being very dirty, it's not in bad shape at all. The bottom's not all rusted out. To the best of my knowledge, it's not. You can't hardly see in there with a diffused grill. It does have a shroud. Lakewood quality fans. Anyway, thanks for watching, and if you haven't already, like and subscribe, and I'll catch you later.